which report was laid on the table of the Honorable Assembly on Tuesday, the 3rd of the day of March 2019. Honorable members, with as many as are of that opinion, say aye. Aye. With as many as are of contrary opinion, say nay. The ayes have it.
Nemusonda jurajombeta kwethira jikurukunde na county assembly ya Meru. Jurajombeta kwethira jugiko mbere ya assembly no Victor Karithi ore no rindo majority. Musonda jojo Karithi arombeta kwethira gikia kire assembly ni jurajorongaira member kire committee cha mwanya che gwitingo gebwa county assembly ya Meru.
So nyuma ya kiuma kiki abirire bunge ya Meru postpone mantia motion your selection committee irambidara ndi chairman in capacity kwa lead of majority ntuko yerware tukumba kwa revia motion yo rengi na inyeketera iko kari na mantu mwanya tukumba oyukurukia bunge ekuwatanira tombo okurukia members waheshimiwa baraba savuki committee ya selection ya implementation ya park ya rules and procedures yomba kongelwa kuma a member 11 baita 23 tuke at standing order bocha chinchirwe late last year na inkwenda kuwa the lead of majority kibunge ya Meru ingweretu nonto effectiveness ya members kana representation ya regions chia Meru ikenda cheki 34 members bare 23 anto aba 11 buraba ture kuimbere so itukueregera aheshimiwa baraba bona kanya ka kwetera baisaf ki committee mwanya bakaomba kwetera bakirita ngwebu bwega bakaomba kwetera baeka interest ya anto Meru mbere teo individually so intukuekwerwa na wish well members bonde barabarikia ukuruka ki new committees basapoti Meru basapoti dream ya kuethia Meru great otherwise angweretu ndi lead of majority na inkona ara tweterete together to na successes inyingi as an assembly and as a county bwega
kimarito mbita parapo George Kimathi Marete MC o Timo Ward igoro andi na gikeno gikinene muno antu bako batimao ibarombire kulisiu pipes share 2 million ituraere mirandi 14 na toa sibitali ya Kiambogo Gitangi na antu ibakenete muno kirandiromba antu babethi itutige kuliraga tukienda kora jobs every time pipe jaiu roje roje jai batumira roje ro kulima patient pawe na imbije manto jonze ageta bwega nondo togo manto jaja kuandikwa tuinde tutetetheka tuterene ro kuandikwa unge nka baromba bebanire na manto janchobi manto jo maramari na manto jonze jara jomba kwithirwa jate gwitania na watho uria bubatere bwa Kenya nka jathaina ndi ndakachia kwa cia bonda kajukia thaka 80 tukabaswira license bangi tubaete mibira au angiara nkwenda kwa riri manto ja squatter timau ekuingia squatter muno twina squatter antu gwitawa Kangaita Gicagi twina Gitaraga twina Mukuri twina Riverside na twina Kongo twina Mukuri na ndiura ndiromba thirikari ni thithie joera thithirie kimunde je Kiambogo urinke ario nkwari aja ndi mwana wa squatter uria barogire antu bara bachokerwe miunde ria ngugwatanira nabu kabisa antu ibachokerwe miunda kenda bomba gukaroturo bubwega ibubwega
no nkiripotera Meru TV mbetaka imenyi omwiri